Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand, the single glass door refrigerators. Now let's take a look at the overall sizes first. This unit is about like a 27 inches wide. Front to the back about like a 31.5 inches deep. And the overall height of the unit is about like a 79 and 3/4 inches tall. As we can see the front of the units, they come in with the banner, LED banner on top, and have a lockers for this front glass door. And they also having controllers at the bottoms. The units mount the compressor at the behind of the bottom of the units, and they do having the standard 110 plugs. When we turn around to see the back of the units, we can see the ETL sanitation stickers on top of it. And this door, when we opened it, we can see they have LED strips on the side and big air circling fan on top. Let me give the overall sizes first for the inner side. The shelving rack's about like a 25 inches deep. And for the width, about like a 23 inches. And the overall height is about like a 53.5 inches tall. This door is soft close and also double layer. So this will be the all detailed information about these new products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.